Hey guys, so today finally I have come here to make a proper detailed analysis report for the mileage of my Yamaha MZ bike. In this video I am going to tell you about the various mileage records that I have got in every refill in the last 8 months, and also I am going to tell you about the driving styles which I had followed during each refill. Also I will tell you about the videos which I had shot with this bike during each refill so that you can understand what is the best driving style to get the best mileage out of your bike. So let's start. First of all, on the 16th February when I got this bike delivered, it had already done 10 kilometers of ride as per the MIG. Then I had filled this tank with 12 liters of petrol and I had driven this bike for 220 kilometers to drive it from Madhya Pradesh to my city in Nagpur, and I also shared a video about that driving. So in that refill of full tank, I have driven it in 220 kilometers of highway ride, then in a city riding of daily 15 kilometers of up down. After that, I had also shot a video of 23 reasons to buy this bike where I had shown certain scenes of driving this bike around my colony. And then finally I went to refill this bike on 4th of March and I had refilled it with 11 liters of fuel, which means 460 kilometers of run on 11 liters of fuel, giving me a mileage of 41.8 kilometers per liter, which was decent for the first try before the first service. Just 20 days after this second refill, the lockdown in our country started, which is why I couldn't ride it every day in the office. However, I made some videos with the bike of little off-roading around the market areas and colonies. Other than this, I had made some more videos before making another refill on my bike, which includes the first service video, a comparison video between my first bike and my second bike, a practicality review which shows elderly pillion riders, also back carrying capacity of the tank. And then I refilled the bike on 26th of June 2020 with total fuel of 10.5 liters after riding it for 371 extra kilometers, which means I got a 35 kmpl of mileage in the city riding with harsh driving and pleasure ride, which was a result of the fun driving which I was getting with the power output of this bike when I was told that this bike was underpowered initially, but that was not true at all. Now newly filled fuel was consumed in various of my videos, starting with the top speed test and gear ratios where I had driven the bike to a longer distance and had harshly revved the bike for top speed test, which means a lot of fuel was consumed. Later I had driven the bike regularly to the market for carrying various goods with heavy bags on the tank pad. Then I had also taken this bike to the service center, which is a little bit far from my house, and also had shown you that video as well. Other than this, my dad was also driving it in eco mode very decently for his own working purposes around the city. Then I had refilled the bike on 14th September 2020 when I had driven it for 274 kilometers to take it to full tank, which required 7 liters of filling, and I had recorded a mileage of 39.1 kilometers. After this refill, we were no longer going to the market very often. I was rarely going to the market with this bike, and mostly my dad was driving it with decent driving at low speeds. Then I made a mud off-road video with it and also a rain riding video with it. Also I had gone to Sadar in Nagpur, which is about 11 kilometers away from my house, for checking out the pre-owned R15, for which I had also made a vlog and shared with you in a video. Also for explaining about the tank panel issue in Yamaha FZ and long discussed controversial complaints about it. I had done a long trip with my bike on the highway. Other than that, I had also gone to Yamaha showroom to explain the differences between FZ and FZS. And finally, I had shot extreme suspension test with mud and other off-roading spots right on the morning of my next refill, that was on 18th October 2020. On the 18th October, after riding total 422 kilometers in the city, I refilled the bike again with 9 liters of fuel, and this time I recorded a mileage of 46.88 km per liter. This was the result of decent driving by my dad on the eco mode, and whenever I had driven this bike, I had also driven it very decently in the city, which is why I got this good mileage for the first time. But this was surely not going to be the last time to get a good mileage with this bike. Further ahead, we were going to get a lot of good records, and after getting this refill done, I had not driven this bike at all. I just drove it to my home 3 kilometers far from this petrol pump. It is showing 1537 kilometers in the reading right now. And on the next morning, this bike was getting ready to go on a highway trip, which is about 160 kilometers of round trip. It was going with my dad because he's the one who is driving it with eco mode most of the time. He's the one who can get the best mileage out of it. So I gave this bike to him and curiously waiting for him to return and record a mileage again. Have a look at the fuel tank just to see that it is still a full tank, which was refilled just the previous day for this round trip and for our mileage record. Obviously, I'm not going to be there with dad to record good scenes with that highway riding because that was a time when I did not have a GoPro. So we are going to do that again soon. After my dad returned from the highway trip, now the meter is showing 1700 as a total reading of the drive so far. Now I'm going to take this to the fuel station again to see how much of fuel we require to fill in this bike again and comparing to last refill. And then we will be able to record our highest mileage to date. So finally I am back to the fuel station again, and in the same spot which is about 3 kilometers away from my house. So 1703 kilometers is the reading right now, and now let's see how much fuel do we have to fill. Most of the time when I'm at the fuel station, I do a refill for the full tank, and I mostly ask the person to fill it up to the very top of the tank because I don't like visiting the fuel station again and again. Now let's see how much of fuel we can fill it up to the top, just like the last time we did. And now it's very full, and guys, this is freaking amazing. Only 2.2 liters of fuel was required to fill it for 160 kilometers of our last ride in the highway, and now the new mileage record is 75.45 kilometers per liter, which is totally unbelievable. And I received a lot of criticism for claiming this mileage, but this is absolutely true, and I'm gonna prove it, not because I hate criticism, but because I also want to share good mileage tips with all of you. When I had done the same video in Hindi, a lot of criticism was received from haters of Yamaha FZ bike, but I don't care a lot because I know Yamaha FZ supporters and fans still like this fact, and most of the FZ owners also agree with me because they are also getting good mileage as much as 60, 65 or even 70 km per liter, and this is a reality. I'm sure you all are going to love the tips that I'm going to share with you in an upcoming video. So till then, stay tuned with me.